Hello, people of the interwebs. Today I will be showing you how to achieve these super fun Valentine's Day inspired nails. If you like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And without further ado, let's jump right in. For this look, you're going to need a few different nail brushes, some dotting tools, a nail file or a buffing file, some nail foils of your choice, and if you are using gel polish like I am, some rubbing alcohol and a cotton pad. You will also need some nail polish remover and nail or gel polish colors of your choice. To start out, I'm going to gently buff the surface of my nails. The purpose here is to give the nail a bit of texture for your polish to stick to. You could also do this with an e-file drill, but I find that a buffing tool or a regular nail file works just fine. Once the surface of your nail has been prepped, you're ready to start painting the nails. If you are using gel polish, you're going to want to use a pH bond before applying your foundation or your base coat. A pH bond is going to dehydrate your nails to keep the gel from peeling. After you've applied your pH bond, you're going to apply your base coat. It's really important that you cap the free edge of your nails, which just means that you're going to paint the top edge of your nails as well as the surface. This will keep your polish from peeling or chipping later on. When you're finished painting your nails, you're going to want to cure them. Every nail lamp is somewhat different, and depending on whether you're using a UV lamp or an LED lamp, the cure time will vary slightly. I cure my nails for 90 seconds in a UV lamp, and that seems to work perfect for me. I will link all of the products I use in this video in the description box below in case you're interested. You'll notice that I cure my thumbnails separately. I've had issues in the past where the nail polish on my thumb peels or it doesn't fully cure when I try to cure them all together. I think the reason for this is because the side of my nail isn't getting the same amount of light as the rest of them, so I've just found it easier personally to cure it on its own. This next step is optional, but if you have weaker nails like I do, you can go ahead with a second layer of foundation. I find that this just helps add a little bit of extra strength and thickness to the nail. Since I'm going to be doing slightly different designs on each of my nails, I decided to start with my ring finger and create a cute little heart design. You can do these in whatever order you'd like. I'm sort of just planning out the design placement as I go, so I do jump around a little bit. I'm going to paint a thin coat of a translucent pink polish and cure that before painting on my design. Once that polish has cured, you're going to need a few colors of your choosing and a couple different sized dotting tools. I found that the easiest way to do this was to dip my dotting tool directly on the brush as opposed to pouring out color and potentially wasting it or making a mess. Once you get some color on your larger dotting tool, you're going to want to make 2 dots side by side on your nail, and then taking a smaller dotting tool, drag that color down into one point underneath those dots to form a heart shape. If you want to make the design a little bit crisper, you can take a fine detail brush and clean up those edges a bit. Go ahead and repeat this process for as many hearts as you would like or as you can fit on your nail. I chose to do a few larger ones and then fill in the remaining space with some smaller ones using a smaller dotting tool and a detail brush. When you're happy with the hearts that you've made, you're going to cure this nail. I cured mine for about 180 seconds since the hearts are slightly thicker than a normal coat of polish, and I'm really happy with how this one turned out. On to my pinky nail. So I decided to do a cute half moon design using some red polish. I painted the nail as normal, making sure to cap the free edge, but before curing the nail, I took some acetone and a flat nail brush, and I did sort of a swooping motion to create a bit of negative space on the bottom of my nail. Then I went ahead and cured this, and I did the exact same design on my thumbnail as well. For my remaining two nails, I thought it would be cute to do a similar half moon type of nail, but this time with some iridescent foil. So using a baby pink and a hot pink polish, I painted each nail a different color, curing in between coats. These are the iridescent foils that I decided on, and I think they are absolutely stunning. And using a clean dotting tool, I picked up individual flakes and placed them strategically in a half moon shape at the bottom of my nail bed, and I cured them. This particular nail foil that I'm using was slightly thicker than some of the other nail foils that I have, so after they'd cured, I went ahead and filed them down just a little bit with a buffing brush just to make them flush with my nail. Once the nail is nice and smooth, I took a smaller detail brush and some black polish and created a little X and an O on the top corner of each nail, and then I cured them again. Now that all of the designs are complete, it's time to go ahead with your top coat. Once you have cured your nails one last time, you're going to want to take some rubbing alcohol on a cotton pad and remove any sticky residue left on your nails. And voila, this is the final product. Once you're finished, I recommend using some hand lotion and some cuticle oil to keep your manicure nice and hydrated. If you liked this tutorial, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. If you have any suggestions for videos, go ahead and leave them in the comment section below. Thanks guys for watching, and happy Valentine's Day.